In this video, we're going to talk about how to sell your videos online for cash. So what you will learn today, you will learn where you can sell your videos online, what to take note of when you are selling your video course, and how to find your audience for your niche. Now, there are many platforms online to sell your videos. I'm not talking about YouTube. YouTube is basically paid advertising. I'm talking about platforms that you can upload your videos, and when the video get watched or someone bought your course, you get paid. Now, I come up with a simple table for your quick comparison for you to decide which platform to choose from. Now, if you refer to this video, you can see that the platform on the left hand side are Udemy, Skillshare and Teachable, and the video length that there's a minimum requirement for you to create a video is at least 2 hours for Udemy. Skillshare is about 10 minutes to 1.5 hours. Teachable is about 2 to 4 hours. Now, these are the recommended minimum video lengths that you should stick on to. However, if you are looking into marketing the course yourself, I would say that you can first try on Skillshare and Teachable, which you can promote it yourself. For Udemy, they actually will help you to promote if you opt into the 50% marketing effort by the platform itself, which is Udemy. And the payout actually depends on your chosen method. For example, Skillshare, you're being paid per minute watch, and for Teachable, you get 100% of whatever that you're going to charge. However, there's a subscription fee on teachable.com. For Udemy and Skillshare, there's no subscription fee. You can upload video because the platform is being shared by everybody. They're actually making money out of your course percentage, so they will take a cut from your cost. So when selling your course, you need to know who are your targeted audience and where are they, so that you can promote this course to them. And sell your course before productions begin and to test the market response. And you can always check what is trending now before you produce the course, and the best is also to go into content curation. Now you can Google search the main keywords and see what's happening on the social media, what website shows up, and is it on forums, social media, or your YouTube. Curate your audience presence online as well onto a spreadsheet and know exactly where they are to estimate the target size of the market that your video is going to reach out to. Market your content to them daily. You can do paid ads or you can just do broadcast through groups. So either way, you can test it out, which is better for you. You need to remember that once you have a content online means that you have work to do, meaning every day you need to advertise it or you need to market it, else no one will know that you have a good course or your course is going to deliver value to them. So in summary, understand that each video platform is different and choose wisely. Number 2, how would you like to be paid for your video? You have to decide first. And find or create an audience for your course. If your course is a totally new course and no one have ever thought of this topic, go ahead and create a group or a special Facebook page and invite your friends, allow different people to join. Now you can also create curiosity by offering a free giveaway or coupon codes before your actual production begins. So this works on sites like Skillshare. You can offer a coupon code whereby if the student will sign up using the coupon code, they actually can get access to your course for free. And when they sign up, you'll be paid $10 for your commission in terms of getting them one customer, even if they don't pay for the subscription for them after the 2 months. And know your audience and what is the takeaway for them after attending your course. Remember, your course needs to drive to the fact that you solve one of their problems or a few of their problems. So I hope that this video is useful to you. To like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video.